Guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to play bass lines on praise as a beginner. Okay, if you're in this kind of certain church where you have to play both the bass and play chords together for a service, this video is for you. Before we start the breakdown, I am introducing this new lesson to you guys. Okay, so if you're interested, if only you're interested, just leave in the comment section below that you're interested, and I'll be bringing you bass line and maybe chords or maybe anything related to the keyboard so that we all can also learn together. Okay, but before we start the lesson, if you are new to keyboard and you want to learn from scratch, message me on my WhatsApp. Okay, so you see my link in the comment section below. Click on the link and I'll teach you some things you need to know on keyboard. Okay, let me show you an example of what we'll be learning today. Okay, okay, so that was the example of what I'll be showing you today. Okay, so we will be playing the song on key F. Okay, and I'll be teaching you the bass line and the simple chords I played. Okay, so before we start, let's look at the chord progression. So asafu, asafu, da 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 da. Okay, so let's first look at the bass line before we get into the chord. So asafu, that is your one. Asafu, re mi, then to your four. Okay, so re mi fa. Okay, your two. 5 5 1. You understand? Okay. Safu ye wa. So now let's look at the chords. Whilst your bass line is going to the top, re mi fa, your chords is going down. So if you see the screen, you have la re fa. So it goes like this. Your bass line plays your re, then your right hand plays la do fa, your mi, so to mi, then your fa, your bass, and your chord la re fa. So asafu, asafu ye owa, ni ye o. Okay, so what I actually did in the song goes like this. So as I was on the one, I didn't just stay on the one. I did asafu, asafu ye owa. You understand? So you have your asafu. So you play, you can also use this kind of lines on bass guitar. Okay, you just need to make it simple. Okay, so asafu, you understand? So do re mi so la mi la. Okay, so la mi la. Okay, so the chord goes like this. Okay, so let me teach you that. So on your 1 2 3, you just play your normal, your right hand, so do re mi. Okay, okay, so la. So you do your right hand, so you do so ti re so. So on your heavy bass la, then you hit your so do D, okay, and your so. Okay, so to di so. So asafu ye owa. So re mi fa, then you play la re 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 re, fa la re 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 re, la so do. You understand? Okay, so the full goes like this. Safu ye owa. So da 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 da. Your right hand plays your so do, and now to your so, that's so ti, then back to your do. Mi fa so safu. You can either do it this way: do re mi ti la mi la. Okay, you just need to want to spice up the praise. So safu ye owa. I hope you are getting it. Okay, so now let's look at the Onyan coupon. Papa. So okay, so now let's look at the chord progression to that. Onyan coupon. So 1 5 1. Da 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 2 3 4 5. Then you continue the first one. So da 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 safu. You understand? So let's look at that. Do fa so. So I was talking to the right hand. So your right hand goes like this. So do mi. So do mi. Then you play la, do fa. Then you play so do so onya coupon. You understand? So the bass line goes like this: do fa la so do. You understand? Do fa la so do. Yeah. So on your so bass, you are still on your do chord as your so do mi. Yeah. Then you move down. The same way you climb from your re to your 4, that is your fa. So so to your 6. Okay, so your 6. So you have your so, to, di, and your so, and your left hand you have your la. Okay. La, then re mi fa, then you play so ti re do asafu ye owani. When you're playing bass on keyboard, it is different from you playing the original bass guitar. You understand? So you just need to play it steady, so that as you are playing the bass, the chords should also go with the bass. Okay, and you should also focus on playing them both so that it sounds better. It's not that you'll be playing do, so, do, fa, and you're playing another chord that doesn't match the bass line. It won't sound better. Okay, so just take time. Safu fu ye owa ye Onyankopon. 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 Do ti la re ti do mi fa so ti do re mi. Just to make it cool, okay? And there are many ways people try to play their things like this, you understand? Some people, they'll just be playing, they'll want to focus on the bass line than the chord. So when you go to some programs, live play, they play at the roadside and stuff, you see that the bass is grooving more than the chords. And some people, when they are playing something like this, the bass, they also bring in the lead guitar as they are playing. They are also soloing and all those kind of things, and it make it also sound good. Okay, I don't know how you play, but sometimes me, how I started playing cool like this. You understand? Okay, and I also know how to play using the guitar. So you understand? Okay, so it depends on how people play their bass, and you understand, everybody has their way of playing it. Okay, so you just master your own and learn from others. Okay, so as I said earlier, if you want more of this, or maybe simple keyboard lesson, I can just try and open a new channel for keyboard. I can also do on worship and something like this. You understand? Okay, so just let me know in the comment section below, and what you say is what I'll do. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you guys this coming Saturday. Bye for now.